370 wig or 360 wig, which is better? Let's find out. I will be comparing both 370 wig and 360 wig in the same style and hair density. 370 frontal wig comes with 6-inch long parting with a natural hairline. When I tilt it over, you can really see how long the parting is. If you like side parting hairstyles, you do have extra space as well for that. If you like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. This is the only channel dedicated to lace wigs. Our aim is to make you more confident when wearing your wig. This is our 360 frontal wig. You get 4 inches parting in the middle and you get 4 inches parting on the side, which is still a decent amount of parting space for you to create your lovely hairstyles. This 360 wig, along with all our wigs, come with a natural hairline. Now let's look at the constructions of both wigs. The 370 wig cap construction is similar to the 360 cap. The only difference is the long parting space at the front of the cap, making the measurements 22 by 6 by 2. 360 wig measurements is 22 by 4 by 2. This is for a medium head size. If you find this confusing, I did make a video 2 years ago explaining in details what a 360 wig is. I will leave the link to that video in the description box below. Both of these wigs are supposed to be 250 density. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of having a 370 wig. With the 360 wig, it will be a lot fuller than the 370 wig. This is because you have more space in the middle for you to sew your weft in. With the 370 wig, you have less space due to you having that 6-inch parting area at the front. So bear that in mind. If you want your hair to be full with a higher density, like how I like my wigs, 370 wig might not be for you, but there is a way for you to trick the system. I also made a video a few years ago showing you how to make your own 360 frontal wig. If you still want a 370 wig, but you want that higher density so that your wig is fuller, my advice is for you to purchase the frontal and the weft separately, and then you make it into a wig yourself. The reason why this is better is because you can sew more weft into the middle if you do it yourself. The way you're going to do this is by you sewing the weft very close together so that you can add more hair to it. If you do want me to make a video showing you this method, let me know in the comment section below. You can secure your 370 wig the same way that you would any 360 wig. You can use elastic band, you can use a got-to-be glue gel like I show you in this video. But we prefer to use the elastic band method. I have just finished filming how you can secure your 360 wig or full lace wig using one method. That video will be added to our 360 frontal playlist. You can watch it here. Now the big question, which is better, 370 frontal wig or 360 frontal wig? I like my wigs to be full, like I mentioned earlier. If I have to choose between 2 extra inch parting space at the front or for me to have a higher density wig, I choose a higher density voluminous wig anytime, any day. But that is my preference. Let me know in the comment section below what your preference is. I am curious to find out.